Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video of a new backpack that I ordered from Herschel. Before I ordered this backpack, I made some Insta story on my Instagram page to ask for a recommendation and reviews about this bag, and I got a lot of good recommendations and reviews about the bag, so I decided to actually go for it. But one thing I was surprised about is how big the size of the bag is, because on the page it actually looks smaller, but it came bigger. But I haven't opened it yet and I don't actually know how it actually looks physically. However, we're going to go straight into it. First of all, just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody to do this video. I'm just making my own personal review about the bag because I had so many features I'm looking for in a backpack, which I hope this gives to me. And it's quite expensive and it's quite disappointing if it doesn't meet my need. So let's get into the bag. So it's double packed. That's quite big, and I have this card that says Herschel Supply Campaign. Let's see what's in there. Okay, it's just a thank you card for purchasing something from them, so that's just what's in there. Well, all the packaging for a thank you card, so hopefully the bag is quite good for all this packaging. So this is what the bag actually looks like in here. It looks quite bigger than what I expected, but I'll say, because one of the features I'm looking for in a bag is a bag that is not heavy without putting anything in it. Not stuck of putting things in it, because if you put things in a bag that's already heavy, it makes it more heavier, and that's the last thing you need as a university student. Just open that up. So this is how the bag looks like. This is the front side of the bag. They've got a logo there, Herschel. It's got a pocket size bag here. It's got a small zipper. There's got another zipper there. Looking like there's one disadvantage. There is no place to keep water bottles in there. So we'll see. And this is the back of the bag. This is how it looks like. It looks really padded and thick. Trying to lift it with my hand to see. It's actually not so heavy, it's kind of light. So let's see what it is. I've got a red sign. Maybe it's got I think this shows that of the glasses space on the bag, and it's just got Herschel logo with a lot of languages of what's in there, random stuff. There's another Herschel logo here, and that's it so far. So the bag is got a small compartment here, and I suppose it is a place where to keep your glasses, your sunscreen, sunshades in here. It's quite good because it's quite soft and your glasses wouldn't have any fingerprint stain on it, as that's one thing I really dislike on my glasses. And the big compartment is okay. There's an issue with the zip already. It's not opening straightforward. Alright, this is what the big compartment looks like. It actually looks so nice. It's got another soft texture here. A laptop, the place where I could keep my laptop and my iPad. Then the inside is quite red stripes color, which is not bad. It's really nice. Oh, they have the water bottle space, but it is inside the bag instead of being outside the bag, which is quite good to kind of put everything in one place in your backpack. So this is what it looks like. That's that. Got two zippers where they can hold it up. One of the part of the reviews I got was about this zipper, that it doesn't last long, but I'm just going to test it out and see if this bag lasts me. Then maybe after a year I'll maybe come back to give a feedback on if it actually lasts me that long. And I'll check the semi small compartment space. And this place is also got the same color as the big compartment, but it's got a key holder there. It's got places where you can keep your pens, your cards and everything, and it's got another small zipper here where you can keep medications. As women, sometimes we have to have some pain relievers in our bag, so this is a good place to keep things like that. And there's another space in here. Obviously I have a pencil case, so I might not even make use of this bit as much. And this bit is just a stick while you are in lectures. And that's actually it for about the bag. I'm so happy to get the bag because what I was actually expecting, it actually exceeds my expectation. I didn't expect the bag to have this thick texture, and it actually cost me £75. My bank was crying when I paid for this, but I was thinking in my head, I'm actually investing in myself, and I hope this bag does last long to actually make my pay very, very important. So it's got the logo there, which is good, and I was quite disturbed to kind of decide on which colors, because they had a lot of colors on their thing. And apparently this bag is the PopQuiz one, and I love the color. I had to make my friend choose the color for me because I'm so biased. And it had so many colors where you had a lot of choices to pick from, but I love this. Thank God I chose this color. It's really neutral. I can take it to scanners to take it out as a normal accessory bag for a lady, so it's not looking bad. It's got a leather cover up down here, which is quite good. So it's kind of like you have a grey, white and black thing here. And the holder here is also made of leather. I don't know how good leather is. It's not quite thick as a good leather, but the bag has most of the important things that you need. I'm going to test this bag now, full academic here, and see how it goes, and I'll give you an update in a year's time from today. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and you'd like me to share things like this with you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below what you think about the Herschel backpack. If you've got one, if you've got any friends that got one as well, what are their opinions about this bag? Does the money worth it or does it not worth it? So let's share that down below. See you guys later. Bye bye.